Rank Math SEO plugin started its journey 2 years back, but within this time it has won the heart of many SEO professionals. It has many great features. Among them, I have chosen 9 features that I like most to share with you today. So let's start. The first thing that I like most about Rank Math is its clean interface. Even if you install Rank Math for the first time, you won't have any problem to understand its functions. On each feature, you'll find a short description about it, and in some cases, a link if the concept needs more clarification. So if you're a beginner, this description will be very helpful for you. Another cool thing about Rank Math's interface is it is organized very tidily. You'll find a menu under Rank Math's dashboard. Each menu has a sub-menu. You can easily navigate from one settings to another without getting lost. The next feature I'll talk about is Add Icon Overlay Thumbnail. It is available under Social Share button in SEO Meta Box section. If your post have a video or GIF, you can display video and GIF icon. So when people share your post on social media, they'll see play or GIF button over the feature image. It's really cool because it increases click-through rate. But be careful, don't overuse it. You may get penalized, and you shouldn't use this button when your post doesn't have any video or GIF. Writing alt tag and title for image can be very boring and tiresome, but you can easily overcome this issue in Rank Math. Rank Math can automatically add alternative and title attribute from image name and save your time. Of course, you must write alt tags by yourself for important images. For decorative images like icons, symbols, etc., you can use this feature. Number 6 cool feature is SEO Analysis. It is available under Rank Math dashboard. Here, Rank Math algorithm gives you a SEO score. Though this score isn't much useful, you will get an overall idea about your website SEO. The issues are broken down into different categories: priority, basic SEO, advanced SEO, performance, and security. This simple visualization will help you to understand your site condition. Even if you're a beginner, you will understand most of the technical terms. You must check your site score at least once in a month. The next cool feature is Search Console. You have the opportunity to integrate Search Console with Rank Math. You can see all the important data right from WordPress dashboard. You can check site analytics data such as keywords, clicks, impressions, CTR, and positions. You can also check sitemap issues and warnings. If you see any problem, you must log into your webmaster tool and fix them. At number 4, we have Rollback Previous option. If you face any issue after updating your Rank Math, you can get back to the previous version using this feature without losing your data. You might think that this doesn't carry much importance, but that's not true. You may often see your theme or even the WordPress is not working properly after installing or updating a plugin. In that case, you might want to roll back to the previous version. I think every plugin should include this feature. At number 3, we have How To and FAQ Schema. These are awesome features. Now you can easily create a how-to guide like this using Rank Math Schema. To do this, just click on plus icon and search for Rank Math and click on it. Done, the code is inserted. Now you just have to write the steps and description and upload images. You can also add FAQ schema. Google likes FAQ schema and show them on search result like this. To add FAQ schema, click on plus icon and search for FAQ. Click on it and start adding a question and answer. The second best feature is for Monitor and Redirection. Now you can easily identify the broken links and also filter by their importance and fix them. In my case, I'm seeing this link getting highest amount of hits though the link is not alive. So I want to fix it by redirecting the link to my home page. Redirection is another cool feature in Rank Math. You'll need this when you change a URL or remove any post or even to pass link juice. There are multiple redirection options in Rank Math. Use the one that solves your problem. To me, the number one feature is local SEO schema. Rank Math gives you 193 local business types. This is really huge and a great time saver. If you're an affiliate or a blogger, you may not select this as number one feature. But think about the small business owners who doesn't know coding or what is schema markup or structured data. Now they can easily set up a local business schema markup, just giving some inputs into Rank Math, and Rank Math automatically creates schema markup for them according to their business category without any extra cost. Again, if you're an SEO service provider, this can be a huge time saver for you. Isn't it amazing, guys? I have given you the top 9 features that I like most of Rank Math SEO plugin. There is another cool feature that Rank Math will offer you soon, that is keyword tracker. I think is going to be a free feature as well, and undoubtedly it will be another milestone for them, because no one in SEO industry provides unlimited free keyword tracking tool. So I'm waiting for the best. And let me know what you like most about Rank Math. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more awesome videos.